Hello, we are at the Detroit Airport and we are heading for New York City for the weekend. The Detroit Airport is actually one of the nicer airports that we have been to. Hi, we're on the plane to New York City and we can't wait to get there. We'll be there in just over an hour.
We're going to New York City and we're on the plane and we're going to the bookstore and then to see the children.
Just got off the plane and got our bags, and now we're heading to our hotel, the Hyatt Centric in Times Square. We have arrived at our hotel here in New York City at the Hyatt Centric, and our flight was about 10 minutes or so late, so we have to hurry up and get ready to go to dinner at Club A Steakhouse. Hi, now we're headed to our favorite restaurant, Club A Steakhouse. And Lillian is getting us the elevator. Just to send Anne a quick message about what we're doing tomorrow. Oh, here it is.
Mommy?
We are heading back to our hotel in a cab right now. We just had a fantastic dinner at Club A Steakhouse, and we will see you in the morning for more adventures.